goal 15, mixed numbers times improper fractions. Pause the video and write that down. Click play when you're ready. All right, nothing really changes in the process. This is just an improper fraction, which means the numerator is larger than the denominator. We're going to take 2 times 4, which is 8, plus 1, which is 9. So we have 9 over 2 times 5 over 3. We're going to multiply straight across. We get 45 over 6. 45 over 6 can be simplified to 7 and 3 over 6. Because 6 goes into 45 7 times, which is a total of 42. That leaves 3 left over out of 6. Remember that 3 over 6 is also 1/2, so your first answer is 7 and 1/2. All right, your next one, write down 6 over 2 times 1 3/4. Now, first of all, what you can recognize is that 3 is actually 6 over 2 is actually 3 over 1. So if you want to simplify that right away to work with easier numbers, you can. You don't have to. So let's just say we keep the 6 over 2. You're going to multiply it by the improper fraction, which is 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7 over 4. You're going to multiply that straight across, and you're going to get 42 over 8. Again, you can simplify before you multiply, or you can simplify at the end. It doesn't really matter. Either way, you're going to get, let's see, 5 and 2/8, because 8 times 5 is 40. And that's the closest we can get without going over. You're going to have 2 out of 8 remaining. 2/8, when simplified as a fraction, is 1/4. So 5 and 1/4. Sorry about my handwriting there. All right, last but not least, we have 1 and 1/2 times 8/3. Go ahead and write that down and try it. And click play when you're ready. All right, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3/2. Times 8/3. Again, I choose these numbers for a very particular reason. You can see that I've got a 3 in both the numerator and the denominator, so you should simplify before you multiply. You don't have to. It's just going to save you time in the long run. 3 over 3, if 3 divided by 3 is 1, so both those become 1. You're going to get 8 over 2, which 8 over 2 simplifies to 4 whole. All right, let's look at our goal. Our goal is mixed numbers times improper fractions. So if you feel comfortable with that, go back and start off. We have one goal left before our homework.